Hello friends, welcome back to LiveGeo. In this video I'm going to show you how you can solve a megaminx Rubik's cube. So this Rubik's cube is completely different from a normal 3x3 Rubik's cube, since in a 3x3 Rubik's cube you have 6 sides, while in this Rubik's cube you have 12 sides, so it will take much more longer to solve this thing. So I'm going to show you how you can solve this Rubik's cube. So first let me shuffle this Rubik's cube. So I have shuffled this Rubik's cube. Now first, normally what you do in a 3x3 Rubik's cube is to just start by solving the edges. So here the edges are these four pieces, 1 2 3 4 over here. But in a megaminx Rubik's cube you solve these 5 pieces over here, which are 1 2 3 4 5. So it will create a star shape instead of a plus shape, which we do in a 3x3 Rubik's cube. So first let's find a piece which belongs over here. So we have white and purple over here. Let's connect this to purple connected. Now let's bring it to the top. So white and purple is solved. Now we have white and green over here. The green centerpiece is over here, so we need to connect this to the we need to bring this to the opposite side. So let's turn it to the over here opposite side, bring it down, turn, and then bring it to the top. Like that the white green piece is also solved. Next let's solve a white and red piece. We need to find a white and red piece. It's over here. So let's bring it, turn it over here, bring it down, turn it, and then connect it to the red centerpiece, and then bring it up. So the white and red piece is also solved. Now let's solve a white and blue piece. So we need to find a white and blue piece. A white and blue piece is over here, so it's all the way down over here. So we need to bring it up over here. The piece is over here, we need to bring this up over here. So let's turn and then turn like this again, and then the white and blue piece is over here. Now let's bring it over here, bring it down, bring it left, and then the blue piece is connected. Now let's turn this 180 degrees, and white and blue piece is solved. Now we just need to solve the white and yellow piece. So for that we need to turn, bring it down, turn left, and bring it up, bring this up so the piece does not get destroyed. Then let's turn 180 degrees. So the pieces are solved. We created a star piece over here. Now next what we need to do is we need to solve the corner pieces. So let's take a white corner piece, white, blue, and red. It belongs over here, so let's bring it over here. Let's drag this down, turn left, and put it up. So the white red piece is solved. White red blue piece is solved. Next let's take white, blue, and yellow, which is white, blue, and yellow, which is over here. So let's bring it below the piece, bring it down, turn left, and bring it up. So the white, blue, and yellow piece is solved. Next we need white, yellow, and purple. So white, yellow, and purple is over here. Let's turn, and it's below here. So let's bring it down, turn 180 degrees, and put it up. Then turn over here again, then bring it down, turn right, turn left, and bring it up. So this piece is solved. Now let's do a white, purple, and green piece. So the piece is over here. Let's bring it below the location, bring it down, bring it down and bring it up, then turn right, bring it down and turn left. So the white, purple, green piece is solved. Next we need to solve a white and white, green, red piece. So for that we need to bring it over here, take this piece, that's white, green and red piece. So let's bring it over here, bring this down, turn right and bring it up. So the white piece is completely solved. Next, after we solve the white piece in a 3x3 Rubik's cube, we go to the second layer. So for this same we need to go to the second layer. So the second layer over here is this. So let's find the pieces for it. So let's find the green and purple piece. So the green and purple piece is over here and it's already in a second layer, but it's in its wrong location. So we need to bring it up over here. Do any equation you want for this, and then we got this piece at the top. Now let's bring it to the green when it's connected to the purple piece or the green piece. After connecting the green piece, let's do the equation what we do to solve a 3x3 Rubik's cube, which is u r dash and then u dash and then l dash u and l. So the green, purple piece is solved. Now let's solve the other pieces also like that. Let's take purple and yellow. The purple and yellow pieces over here, let's bring it over here and connect it. Now let's turn right and do the equation. So the purple and yellow piece is solved. Now let's go for yellow and blue. The pieces over here, let's connect it, turn right, bring it up, turn and bring it down. So the yellow, blue piece is solved. Next let's take blue and a red piece. So let's find a blue and red piece. Where is it? Blue and red, yeah, the blue and red pieces over here. So let's bring it to the top, turn and then bring it down at the side. So the red piece is connected. Now let's turn right, bring it up, turn right and bring it down. Do the same equation what we did last time. Now let's take a red and green piece. So for that, let's find a red and green piece. So the red and green piece is over here. Let's connect it over here. Now turn left, bring it up, turn left and bring it down, and then bring it up and turn. Okay, and the green, red piece is also like that. The second layer is solved. Now after this we need to solve the corner pieces over here at the top. So these left pieces we need to solve. So let's first take a left piece which belongs over here, purple, green and blue. So let's find a purple, green and blue corner piece. The purple, green and blue piece is over here. So let's bring it and put in its proper location. So it's in its proper location, but then the piece is not, it's not proper. So let's bring it up turn and bring it up again and turn again, and then we'll be able to get it in its proper location properly. So now we need to solve these edge pieces next to it. So here the piece which belongs over here is purple and blue, so purple and blue piece should be over here and green and blue piece should be over here. So first we need to find the purple and blue piece. So let's find the purple and blue piece. The purple and blue piece over here. Now let's to connect this we need to bring this up, turn over here 2 times and then bring it down, and then turn this left and bring it up and turn this over here. But then when you check it over here, the piece is inverted. So for that we need to go back to it and put it in its wrong location. And now we need to take this blue and purple piece, turn and bring it up, so the blue piece is connected. Now let's try to solve it again. Turn left and bring it up and then put it in the proper location, and then it's correct. So let's do the same thing with the green and blue piece. Let's find the green and blue piece. So the green and blue piece over here, bring it and connect it to the blue piece. Now turn so this time we need to turn the opposite side. No, not the opposite side. We need to turn this over here and bring it down, turn left and bring it up, and then the green and blue piece is solved. Let's now go for the purple, yellow and orange piece. So we need to find a purple, yellow, orange corner piece, but the piece is already over here. We just need to invert and put in its proper position. So let's bring it right, turn left, bring it right, turn left, and then the piece is solved. So first we need to find a yellow and orange piece. So let's find a yellow and orange piece. We found one piece over here. Now let's just connect it over here, but we need to put the yellow and we need to connect the orange piece at the top. So let's turn and connect it, and then like that the orange piece is connected. Now let's turn the opposite direction, bring it down, turn and bring it up. So the yellow orange piece is solved. Next let's go for purple and orange. So we need to find a purple and orange piece. The purple and orange piece over here. So let's bring it up, turn left, and then the orange piece is connected. Now let's turn, bring it down and bring it opposite and bring it up, and then the purple orange piece is also solved. Next let's solve the yellow, blue and green piece, yellow, blue and light green piece. So let's find the piece. It's already over here. We just need to turn it, and then the yellow, blue, green piece is in the proper location. Next we need a green and blue piece. So it's already over here. We just need to turn it and bring it up. So the green blue piece is solved. Next let's turn it the opposite direction, bring it down, turn left and bring it up. So the yellow, green, blue piece, the green blue piece is solved. Now let's find green, yellow and green piece. So we need to find the yellow and green. It's over here. So let's bring it up at the top, but we need to invert this because over here is yellow piece connected. So let's turn, bring it top and bring it down. Next we need to connect it over here. So let's turn, bring it down and then bring it up. So the yellow, green, blue piece is also solved. Next we need to solve red, blue and pink piece. So it's over here. We just need to turn, bring it down and turn, so the pink piece is connected. Next we need to solve the edge piece over here. So red and pink. Let's find the red and pink piece. It's over here, so we just need to bring it up and connect it. Now let's bring it, turn and bring it down, turn left and bring it up. Next let's go for blue and pink. So blue and pink is over here. We need to connect it over here at the top, bring up and then turn and bring it down and then turn and then bring it up. So the pink, red and blue piece is solved. Next we need to solve the red, green and yellow piece. So the red, green and yellow piece we need to find it first. The red, green and yellow piece already over here. We just need to bring it to the proper location. So turn over here and then yellow, red, turn, bring it up and turn. So the yellow, red piece is over here. Let's bring it down and then bring it over here. Now a yellow and green piece. And then bring it up. So let's solve the yellow and green piece. Turn and bring it left and bring it up. So the yellow green piece is solved. Next we need to so after this we have already completed all the pieces over here. Now we just need to solve these corner pieces at every sides. So first we need the yellow, green and orange piece. So let's find, bring it down, turn left and bring it up, and then let's bring it below its location, bring down, turn right and bring it up, and then orange and green piece we need to find. It's over here. Let's turn, bring, and it's over here. Now turn and bring it down, bring it up and turn left. Next we need to solve a blue, pink and green piece. So over here, it's over here. Let's bring it down, turn left. We need to first turn left, bring this down, then turn to right and bring it up. So this piece is solved. Now we just need to find a green pink piece, which is over here. So let's bring it at the top and then connect it to the green piece, turn and turn and then turn, and the green pink is solved. Then red, yellow and pink. So let's turn, bring it down, turn left and bring it up, and then yellow pink pieces over here. Now we just need to connect the yellow piece over here, turn right, turn and then bring it up and bring it down. Next we need to solve the green, blue and yellow piece. So let's find a green, yellow, blue and piece. Okay, it's over here. So let's bring it down and then let's turn it left, bring it down, turn right, and we need to bring it right, bring down and turn left, and then we need to solve the yellow and blue piece. So turn right, bring left, and then let's bring it down. Now we just need to solve the purple, blue and orange piece. So let's bring it down, turn right, bring down, bring left, and then this piece is solved. Now we just need to solve this orange and blue, turn right, bring it up, turn, and then bring it down, and then connect it, and then do the same thing, and then the piece is solved. Now we just need to solve this top piece and then the side layer, the side piece of it. So first, like how we solved the white piece at the starting, we just need to create a start piece. So for that we need to do this, turn this right, bring it up, turn, bring it down, turn back to the right side, and bring it down. Now do this equation again, and then you will get a start piece like this. Bring it down, do the same thing, and then the star piece is made. Now we need to solve the corner pieces. So we need to do the same equation that we do to solve a corner piece, which is r u r dash u r u2 r dash. So we just need to do the same thing over here, r u r dash u r u2 r dash. But this piece came out by mistake somehow, so let's bring it, turn down and bring it, and then let's fix it again. So now let's fix the corner pieces again. We need to keep doing until it gets solved. So the yellow green piece is solved. Now we need to connect it to its proper pieces. So the gray pink pieces over here, the gray yellow pieces over here, the gray blue piece over here, and gray orange piece over here, and gray green pieces over here, and gray and pink pieces over here. So now to solve the edge piece and put in its proper position, we need to turn this up, turn it, bring this up, turn this, bring it down, turn, and then bring it up. So we'll start getting these pieces in its proper locations. So we just need to keep doing it until we get it solved. So the gray, pink, and green piece should come over here. So let's try to solve it again. It did not work, so let's keep doing it. So the orange green piece is in its proper location, the blue yellow pieces in its proper location, but these pieces are not in its proper positions. It needs to be interchanged. So let's keep doing it until we get it solved. So right now all the pieces are in its proper location. So now we need what we need to do is we need to take a piece which is not fixed, bring it down, and keep doing this thing. So as you can see, we solved the megaminx Rubik's cube. So I hope all of your Rubik's cube is solved, and I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe and like to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.